David Greene with Greene and Phillips back with us on Studio 10. Good to see you again.
Glad to be here.
All right, today we're talking about this. A lot of people may be wondering if they hire a lawyer to handle their wreck case, a car wreck case, does it need to go to trial?
Well, great question. People are always concerned about getting into a circumstance or a situation where they're not comfortable. Not everybody goes to court. It's not something everyone's used to doing, and most cases actually do not go to trial. As a matter of fact, about 95% of cases never have to be filed.
That's incredible. So tell us a little bit about why is that? What happens during that process?
Well, if you get a lawyer involved that understands the process and you're dealing with an insurance company on the other side that can work with you, then you can work the process out, and it actually never has to be filed. And basically, it's like a claims process.
Okay, so what is that advantage then of settling before filing suit?
Well, number one, you save a lot of cost. You save the filing fee, you save deposition cost, and you're able to get someone's money faster. And so, really, that's a great advantage.
What is the advantage then of having a lawyer as opposed to trying to handle all this yourself?
Well, that's an even better question. The point is the experience of having a lawyer that handles this type of case, that deals with the insurance adjusters, that maybe has a relationship of having dealt with them over the years, there's an understanding. And basically you level the playing field. An individual that's never done this before, gosh, they just don't know what to do. They're not sure what to provide, what to sign, what to say, how to say things, and that's what a lawyer would add to the advantage, to the equation.
Well, you told us that there are some extra costs and that most never go to that extreme where you're in a trial, but when are there instances when filing a suit is necessary? Well,
if there's a very serious claim, you and I have talked about cases before where the very serious cases need to be filed. Wrongful death, loss of limbs, serious brain injuries, things of that nature need to be filed to go ahead and preserve the case and then move forward with what's called a discovery process to get data that's going to help build your case.
All right, and then how long does it take to get a settlement? After we're talking about all this kind of stuff, that's what people want to see ultimately in the end. So how long does that take?
We say anywhere from 90 to 120 days, sometimes a little longer on your basic ordinary type of case. Sometimes it can take longer, generally 90 to 120 days. And we track that at our office. How quickly do cases get resolved for a fair amount? We're not trying to settle cases for less than what they're worth. We're going to determine what the case is worth, sit down with the client, make a determination. If they're happy with that, deal with it or file it.
All right, and I'm sure there's some people out there who are sitting there thinking to themselves, I have something like this going on right now and I could use a little help. If they want some help, they can always contact you guys, correct?
Absolutely. We can be reached at 300-2000 or on the website, greenephillips.com.
All right, go check that out on our website as well. David, good to see you again. Thanks for coming in.
Great to be here.